Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boom, Matrasi. Another day, another video. If you are a regular in this channel, you already know what to do, my baba. Please comment down below and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I'm uploading a new video. So kule channel sivulula iwulu umuntu eseyulula ngayo namhlanje ngubona Matheba, as you see kulanduka kwivideo. So guys, ubonanga uyatrenda ku-Twitter, utrendiswa ivideo ayenzileyo without makeup. So izimvo zabantu ziyabethabethana ukuba she's gorgeous with makeup. Xa ngafakanga i-makeup uyafana with some ordinary girl yaselokishini, or she's so basic without i-makeup. So abantu ndizibuza umbuzo, xa ezi-celebrities zisenza i-campaigns with i-makeup babe bepromota into ethile yobuso bayakhalaza, but ke ngokubonanga uze without i-makeup for i-audience yakhe so that izorelate naye, but still iseyiproblem leyo ebantwini. But ke le controversy isuka phi from AKA khona ngokubonanga kwakajola no-AKA back in the days ke guys, abantu kudala befuna ushilanduka career kabonanga. So after behlukene u-AKA waba ne-claims ezitsho ubana ubonanga wenziwa mhle kakhulu yi-makeup, so without i-makeup akamhlanga at all. But ke umhle guys, from my point of view ubonakala emhle shem. Ndinadana xa ndimbona elanduka etrend ku-Twitter ngaloo nto. So guys, you know what to do. If it's your first time bumping into my videos, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I will see you to my another upload. Bye.